Welcome to our today's video. Whether you're looking for a natural energy booster, a cold or a cough remedy, or a refreshing detox drink, this powerful combo is a game changer. Hey guys, I hope you will enjoy this home remedy pineapple juice, a simple preparation just from my kitchen. Did you know that drinking fresh pineapple juice with honey can do wonders in your health? Hear me out. It boosts your immunity system. It helps you in digestion. For those people who have difficulty in digestion, maybe constipation, this is the best remedy that you can use. It also clears throat when you have cough, gives you natural energy. Drink it warm or cold, it doesn't matter. You can drink it warm or cold, but I prefer it warm or hot. Do you also want to have that glowing skin? Yes, pineapple juice is also a detoxifier. You will have a smooth skin. Thank me later. If you love hot drinks, also this is for you. Boil your water in a kettle and then let it cool in a room temperature. Then you can add in your blended or grinded natural pineapple juice. If you don't have a blender, don't worry, you can use a rolling pin to mash in your pineapple, get the juice and sieve it out. After your pineapple mashed fruit is ready, you can bring a glass and a sieve, then sieving the juice into the glass. ready to mix with hot or cold water. Now our juice is ready. Look at that, it's looking so beautiful in a glass. Then bring in your honey, natural honey. Use a teaspoon to put 1 spoon or 2 spoons. I prefer 1 spoon. Thank you for watching my video till this far. Enjoy your juice at home in the morning, midday or in the evening, and let me know how it goes.